Manipur Chief Minister has said banks these days are always ready to provide loan to the people unlike before. Chief Minister Biren was addressing the 4th Credit Linkage Program organized by Manipur State Cooperative Bank MSCB at the CM Secretariat in Imphal today. Loan amount of rupees 3 crore 88 lakh and 48,000 was distributed to 296 individuals and 102 self-help groups under the Kisan Credit Card Scheme. Jennings employees said they would launch intense agitation from December 21st if they do not get 7 pay salary. They staged a sit-in protest today at the Jennings campus, pushing for the demand. Vice President of BJP ST Morcha Manipur Pradesh and intending candidate of Autonomous District Council election J. Khongsai today presented pre-Christmas gifts to the members of his election committee today. Social worker Thongam Shanti of Moirang handed over 4 rechargeable torchlights and rupees 10,000 to the members of Anti-Drug Cell ADC Tronglao B under Moirang constituency today. ADC convener Robin Chabungbam thanked the social worker for the present. A team of Imphal East Police and Narcotics and Affairs Off-Border NAB destroyed poppy plants at Changsang village under Saikul subdivision in Kangpokpi district today. The team was led by Imphal East Superintendent of Police Jugesh Chandra Haubizam and NAB Superintendent of Police Basu Watham. Center will be spending about rupees 10,000 crore to inoculate the priority group of 30 crore Indians in the first phase of the COVID-19 vaccination drive. According to media report, phase 1 of vast inoculation exercise will be funded by the central government. While some states such as Bihar and Kerala have said coronavirus vaccines will be given free of cost, most states are likely to make similar announcements soon. India recorded 22,890 new coronavirus cases in the past 24 hours, taking the total cash load to over 99.79 lakh. The number of fresh infections is 4.6% down since yesterday. Up to 338 more deaths were reported in this time, taking the total fatality to 1,44,789. Over 31,087 recovered since yesterday, taking the overall figure to 95,20,827.